I'm sorry, no worries, just a moment. I'm sorry. You mean it's heavy or? Oh, I'm sorry, miss. Need clean here. Also, you can do like back deadlifting, but it's not so. It's not. Oh, good. I'm just clean here. Oh, I am working here 40 years. Ah. Let's go, Anatoly. I'm sorry. Just a little bit clean here because choke. Yeah. Go. A little bit not. So, can I show you a better exercise, better technique? You can try. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Up. Yeah. I'm sorry, just a little bit here. Yes, I'm sorry.
Way up. Now we go way up. Now we.
Yeah, I will try. Okay.
No,
just
be careful, it's heavy.
no worries. Yep.
Whoa.
This exercise. Sorry, just a clean little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I still am
You here.
retiring it with my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like you been.
Oh, I'm sorry, brother. I'm just try. I'm just try. Let it go. I'm sorry. Oh.
Going on track.
I'm sorry, no worries, just a moment. I'm sorry. Okay, here. Also, you can do like back deadlifting, but it's not so. It's not small little bit. Yes. Yes, I'm new here, but I like my job. My job in my heart. Yes, I'm terrible, sorry. Yeah, you're finished? Okay. Cool. Nice. I'm sorry for the bothering. Can I try with you together?
This way.
This way.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. Sorry, miss. For arms?
No, for the chest.
Ah, for chest.
How much we take off?
No. Not take off. You mean it's heavy or? Can I clean here? Yeah. I'm sorry. No. Oh. I'm sorry, miss. Need clean here. Yes. Because I have some injuries here. I think it's.
Try. No, please don't.
No. You say it's.
Stay up, counting all the way up. Now we go.
Please. Make a max.
It's because I'm professional cleaner. I'm sorry. Why you look at me like crazy? What? The bar? What do you mean, guys? All good. I'm just clean here. Oh, I am working here 40 years. Today gym's very dirty. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm terrible. It's good for my injury. It's for back, right? Nice. Sorry. His triceps here. I'm sorry. Squeeze here. I said.
Like this?
Like this. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And
I
Yeah,
say,
this one is.
can I do with you? Is it possible?
See?
Yeah.
You're sure you can?
Yeah. Just 1 minute, please.
set, good set. By the way, like, just the one mistake. What I stay there, like, from the back, I see like little bit technique wrong. Technique little bit. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, how much set you have here? Yes.
I just started like 3 more.
Oh, just. I'm sorry, mister. Just clean here. It's no problem. Just put your legs. Your legs, yeah. I'm sorry.
All good, all good.
Careful, it's really hard for you.
No, I am young in my heart.
Blow me. Bitches, I'm on my bed. Stack chicken like what it's going to be.
Little bit not good. You are the trainer. Good trainer, but the one problem, like 1 minute, I will clean. It's no problem. My name is Anatoly. I am cleaner here. I'm sorry. Just I need 2 minutes here. I wanna check up. Yes. Is it?
True, and the combo gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shit. They
Oh.
That's good.
Sorry, guys.
Your trainer have some wrong position of legs as well. It's not good. I'm sorry, trainer. I think like this. Yeah, I need to really check. Whew. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this. I'm sorry. Good weight, I say. Just enjoy. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Enjoy.
Your position of the legs is also not correct. Little bit.
What?
I mean, you stay a little bit like this. It's better to change your position.
Okay.
yeah, no, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young.
I say, if you wanna be the best cleaner, you need clean here. My gym, my goal now is big chest.
Oh.
Is it good weight? Yeah, for chest.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Just more.
Hello, you are professional. Show me. You can try.
Okay. What heavy?
This one.
I'm sorry.
I'm scared.
Oh. Oh.
Yes,
For pumping. Maybe.
for you.
Oh, yeah. Maybe because I wanna try.
Anatoly?
Anatoly.
Moment. All good.
I'm just playing in the cut. I got my Vans on.
It's the best for back. I'm sorry. It's very good. You can try.
Up.
Yeah.
And this like squatting. And then you're just doing your set. But the leg position, see? And I'm sorry, you need to take like this and like this. And you need doing this one. It's much better for biceps, not anabolic. I'm sorry for this just moment.